Upgrading your computer's RAM can offer several benefits, including improved performance. Adding more RAM to your computer can help it run faster and more smoothly. This is because RAM is used by your computer to store data that is being actively used by your programs and the operating system. With more RAM, your computer can store more data in memory, reducing the need to swap data to the slower hard drive or solid-state drive, which can significantly slow down your computer. Increased multitasking. If you frequently run multiple programs at the same time or work with large files, more RAM can help you work more efficiently. With additional RAM, your computer can keep more programs open simultaneously without slowing down or freezing. Better gaming performance. If you enjoy playing video games on your computer, adding more RAM can improve your gaming experience. This is because games require a lot of resources to run smoothly, and more RAM can provide your computer with the necessary resources to run your game smoothly and reduce loading times. Longer useful life. Upgrading your computer's RAM can also extend its useful life. As software becomes more demanding, computers with less RAM can quickly become outdated and struggle to keep up. By adding more RAM, you can keep your computer running smoothly and delay the need for a new computer. In summary, upgrading your computer's RAM can improve performance, increase multitasking capabilities, enhance gaming performance, and extend the useful life of your computer. Thank you for watching. Please follow, like, share, and subscribe.